Welcome traders, Dr. Keith in for Rob. It's Monday, March 17th, 2025. Hope you're doing well. All right, folks. So hope you had a great weekend. As we get into today's video, you can see here, folks, we were looking at the S&P this morning in the WealthCharts live training room. Again, thanks for all you that joined me this morning. It was a lot of fun. So here's the 9:30 open. Hey, again, I always personally wait until about 9:40 before I start looking for opportunities. And so we can see here that on this 1 minute chart, then very solid buying coming in, flat bottom Heikin-Ashi candles. We actually had a trigger right before the open there, but again, that's more risk than I'm willing to take at the US Open. But then based on what you've learned, especially on last Friday and Rob's training, okay, there's some different ways that you can enter into the market here. So basically at roughly 9:40, we got a nice long play in here, folks. And what you see here is an IRB buy. So I basically put an order in and it went up here in our favor. And I got out at a 9 tick. It was up more than that, but when I flattened out, it was up 9 ticks. Because it was so soon after the US Open, I didn't want to keep a trailer. I basically flattened both my contracts at +9 on the S&P. But again, that was one of the more aggressive entries I look for based on what you learned on Friday with some of the IRB buy signals that Rob talked about. Okay, next. So I was pretty much done for the morning there, but I was still showing opportunities to the team. And what you can see here is on gold on the 1 minute, okay, we're in a nice uptrend. Okay, you can see that there. So again, as I add new tools to see which ones you all like the best, we can see here that in an uptrend, and then all of a sudden we started looking at here's a range breaker, basically saying that we're going to break out of that range. And then at the same time, a couple candles later, you can see right here we got that IRB buy, which means you can place an order above the high there, and off it went. So that was one that some took. Again, I didn't take that particular trade. A little bit more aggressive, but since I already had 2 nice trades for the day, I was done. But those are some of the opportunities that we look for. And then lastly, just as we're doing this, I'm doing this video here at 2:19 Eastern. You can see here on the 5 minute on the S&P, just the beautiful formations of the Heikin-Ashi here, right? And then again, if you look at the IRB buy signal here, back in the direction, flat bottom Heikin-Ashi, you could still be in this trade, folks, at the time of this video. So hope you're enjoying. Hope to see you all tomorrow at 8 a.m. Eastern. Okay, tomorrow is from 8 to 11 Eastern. Hope to see you all there, but have a great night, everyone. Take care.